Can you download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium? In this video, we are going to find out exactly that. What's up everyone? Welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, we are going to see if it is possible to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. But before we begin, make sure to hit down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing to check you need to do is open up your YouTube. And once you open up your YouTube, you just want to play the video that you want to download. So let's say if I just want to play this video right here, I'm just going to do that. And once the video starts playing, as you can see, there is no option to download it to your phone's gallery or camera roll. But what you can do is you can download it so that you can watch it offline for free. And you will find this download button right here. Go ahead and tap on it. So what it will do is it will store this in your YouTube's library for 30 days so that you are able to download it and watch it even if you are offline. So now in order to access this, what you need to do is go to your library by tapping on your profile and then tap on downloads, and you will see all of your downloaded videos. So once you download it, it will be there for 30 days and you can watch it offline anytime you want. But there is no direct way to download it to your phone's camera roll. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.